Even if you have a site with fantastic content, but if it doesn't load fast enough on the mobile, your rankings are not going to happen. This is exactly what today's case study is all about. JES public school website. What you have to do is analyze this website and just do a quick technical audit. Now, when it comes to a technical audit, there are the following steps. I mean, these are the first things that you would check for when it comes to a technical audit for a website with respect to ranking, right? The first thing is to do a manual check. The old school way, go to the browser and using the inspect tool, look at how the website is looking on different devices, and of course on the desktop. That's step one. Step two is Google has two very useful tools. So one of them is called Google Mobile Friendly Test, which will tell you the gaps with respect to the mobile design for any website. The second one is the Google Page Speed Test, and that will kind of break down the various components of the time taken when the page is loading on both the desktop and the mobile. So, and interestingly, it also gives you the opportunities by which you can improve upon if your site is slow. So that's really the second step. Using these two tools to come up with ideas with respect to how the load time can be improved and how the design on the mobile friendly design can be improved. And the third one is with respect to user experience. Like if there are too many not found pages or redirections or server errors, these are things which need to be controlled. Now for doing that, we have given the link of a free tool, so you can use that and check the various errors which are coming on which hampers the user experience on the website. So that's it. Those are the three main things that you would look for when you're doing a technical audit.